Let's try to break down visual perception. Visual perception. Visual perception is simply what you see. Simply what you see. And within the category of the visual, there are two subcategories, one being pure visual perception and the other contextual visual perception. Visual contextual perception requires light as reflected or reflections of color. Pure visual perception is only light, as all visible wavelengths reflected instantaneously and without color differentiation. Individual light waves as reflections of distinct and individual color is visual contextual perception, which is perceptually differentiable by as many distinct colors and color combinations that are possible. All light waves reflected creates the perception of white. No light waves reflected gives the perception of black, the absence of light. Pure visual perception is thereby differentiated by two or by the duality of light and dark, or black and white. Pure visual perception is instantaneous, regardless of whether there is perception of light or perception of the absence of light. Pure visual perception is of light or the absence of light. There is no differentiated light as color, as with contextual visual perception, and there is no true duality, as with the duality of light and dark, because that is created by the mind. Your mind's ability to differentiate light from dark, which is not pure visual perception, but is a function of the mind's interpretation of pure visual perception. The presence of light versus the absence of light. But the perception before interpretation, duality of light and dark, is instantaneous and hence pure visual perception, without the mind, without interpretation, instantaneous.